4:45 p.m. Tuesday, July 22nd, 2025. Yeah, it's a pretty decent feeding tonight. And I've already had to reload this limb multiple times. I've been out here for a little bit now. Yeah, attitude in the air. These guys are already feeling what is to come over these next few days. Hey, that looks, is that, oh, I'm not sure who this one is. Boom. That, oh, flew right, that, I think that was Jayhawk, I'm not sure, but he flew right in my direction and swerved. I don't know what I caught there, but, because I was zoomed in. I'm not exactly sure when I'll be posting this video, as it is in between sky observation recordings from earlier today, and I plan on doing a few more sky observations before this day is done, and possibly one long video that hasn't already been posted and viewed by the time you see this. But yeah, but then, you know, my plans always go awry. That's why I typically don't plan for anything. I don't, you know, I have no goals, no real ambitions. And what goals or ambitions or desires that I do have, yeah, right now it's limbo time. You'll have to forgive me, as I, you know, when I'm making these recordings, a lot of times my narration gets interrupted because I get distracted through other things, and it's just like there is someplace up here is either a woodpecker or nuthatch. But anyways, yeah, we'll continue henceforth momentarily. You know, I don't know why I'm getting such a fascination out of these blue jays. Well, of course, I enjoy nature, always have, but with either, which one you gonna which one you going to? Down below or over here? Down below. All right. Well, we'll go ahead and kind of zoom in on that just a little bit as he's getting ready to pop on down. Go ahead. There you go. Well, that was real quick. And then I think right up here we have us a cardinal. Oh, yeah. We have a cardinal back here. So cool. Possibly that would be awesome if a cardinal would come up too. You can hear them back there. But you can come up. Come on. Oh, I love it. Oh, well, of course. We've got sounds of aircraft overhead. Yeah, this is about time to where I should be doing sky observations. Who do we got over here? Do we have a squirrel up here? Huh. Oh, of course we got blue jay up here. Where are you at? Right there you are. Yeah, I see you. Boy, it's really hard to... Anyways, slowly coming down, I believe. Yeah, once again, I'm at my usual location where I'm squatted down. I do enjoy the sounds of cardinals. Oh. Yeah, I wasn't even zoomed in all the way. Well, I might have to reload the branch again. Well, it certainly seems like I'm far, far away. What's the matter, Tiny? Huh? How you doing, buddy? Yeah, that's a good boy. Oh, I can't see what I'm doing here. Yeah, you're a decent guy. Okay, we'll go on to pause. Now I think we're going to get one last visitor. Oh, possibly not. Well, okay, we got two up overhead. Yeah, I've just been waiting for one last little bit of these blue jays. Everybody has basically been fed now. Um, yeah. Now I got a little bit of, oh, what are we at here? A little bit of food left behind. Of course, Wolf was out here starting to cop an attitude with some others, and he just took off after Puff, I think. But that was out on the lawn. Wolf is claiming territory. Once again, yeah, he's informing me that Spirit apparently is no more. And just to let you know, Spirit was the first cat that I encountered. We bonded, and over a couple of years now, this is what has developed. From my observations, Spirit was the first one that was trapped, neutered, and released, with his ear being the indicator, having been clipped. There's been quite a few cats that have more or less disappeared over time, but when you start adding 2 plus 2, basically the action has died off. I've got this airplane out here that's circling around. I'm going to go ahead and end this and see what kind of sky observations will take place. Yeah, the limb has been loaded for quite a few minutes now and no activity, so we are done. And these cats can carry on with what they're doing. They're slowly finishing up. What is it, out and about? So then I got a feeling that there's going to be quite the crowd tomorrow morning. So thanks for watching. Have a great one. We'll see you next time. Come on up. It's okay. Come on. Come on. Here we go. Um, oh, I guess I was already recording. Oh, I didn't realize that. Yeah. This is Skunky. And come on up, Skunky. Emma's gonna leave you alone. Come on. And of course we got Baby here. Come on, Skunky. And oh, okay, you're all right. Okay, there we go. Let's go ahead and come on back around, Skunky. There you go. There we go. Okay. Yeah. I'm out here trying to get everybody situated and oh, yep, we got aircraft flying overhead. Yeah, this might be quite the busy day around here. There you go, Wolf. Yeah, we got the birds that's ready to eat as well. We're going, yeah, I know, we're getting there. We're getting there. Go ahead. Yeah, we're just gonna spread some of this all about. Okay, boy, I can hear that one. It's a heavy rumbler, but yeah. Okay, so I guess we're going to go ahead and load this up so we can get these birds. You're okay, guys. You're all right. See, when the little ones come up like this, yeah, there's a lot of trust. Okay, we're going to go ahead and load this up real quick. I've got so much to get done today. And of course, with high temperatures, that's going to really. Morning, buddy. You want to come on down? Huh? Oh, where'd you go? Oh, you're still up here. Okay. Hang on. You're okay. You're all right, Skunky. Yeah, we got us. Yeah. Well, you're coming right up close, aren't you, buddy? Huh? Yeah. Okay. We'll get you hooked up here. Yeah. Okay. Hold on. We'll. Oh, dang. Yeah, I made some thick cakes last night. Just one very large pancake, but here, you want to go ahead and come on down? Go ahead. You can come on down and get a piece. There you go, buddy. There you go. All right, we'll start you off right away. Okay, so we're loading this up. Oh, wow. They're wanting to come right up. Yeah, hold on, guys. All right. We're getting there. And I am running very low on memory card storage. Yeah, go ahead. You can go ahead and pop on down if you want. Not sure. Yeah, okay. Still waiting patiently, huh? Okay. Well, go ahead. You can. You want to come down? Go ahead. We got two of them up here. There we go. See, getting closer all the time. You know, this bonding with the animals is just so radically cool. Oh, you want to come over here? Okay, we can do this. We can put some over here. Put some up here. Boy, these are not wanting to stick tight at all, but we're working on it, right? Oh, it's such an awesome morning. I'm always digging on this. Okay, guys, we're getting there. We're getting there. So yeah, I got more to load up here. Okay, you're okay, guys. You're all right. Oh, I'm all over the place with this. Let's back off. Handbag. Yep. Well, boy, they're just screaming at me this morning. I've been up since what? Oh, got it. Oh. Now what's going on? Oh, see, Wolf is starting up his nonsense already this morning. Oh well. I guess that happens. Let's see if we can get this stuff to. Okay. Yeah, I guess that'll work for right now. And we're gonna try to load some up over here. Yeah, a lot of friction because they can feel the they can feel how this day is going to turn out. Okay, yeah. Oh, see, I just keep losing this stuff. Yeah, and of course, Elma's copping attitude this morning, but we're going to try our best to keep everything kosher out here. Yeah, I still have water that I need to get to these guys, and of course, with these high temperatures that we are expecting, I'll be out here 3-4 times a day over these next few days, just to make sure that these guys stay adequately hydrated, and because what they're spraying overhead, I do believe, acts as a drying agent for all those down below. But anyways, yeah, we're going to go ahead and I think end this. You coming down, Jay? Is that you up there? He took off. So yeah, not a real big gathering this morning as far as these guys are concerned, but it's awesome of those that are coming up. So okay, I'm going to go ahead and end this. I would rather end this with with a blue jay in the picture, but I think this is good enough for the time being. I got to get this watering done, and I got so much to get done today before it really starts to heat up out here, and that way I can be adequately prepared. There we go. Come on down. There you go. There. Come on down, buddy. All right. That. We can end on that. So anyways, take care one and all, and meet up with us once again if you so desire. Take care. Have a great one. Okay, 2:10, yeah, 2:11, whatever. This afternoon, Wednesday, 23rd July 2025. Well, I come out here and old Tiny, he right away started jumping on the cat food. The water out here is already dry. Well, I'd want to say drying up, but it is quite evident that we've had some very thirsty cats. Now that I'm out here, my voice is carrying a little bit. The cats are starting to come forth. Hi, Wolf. And so we're going to go ahead and, yeah, we're doing a midday. Hi, buddy. Hi, Wolf. Boy, you feel warm. Yeah. Well, at least I got some cat food that they're taking a liking to, so that's good. It was quite the chore carrying it back, but I'm going to go ahead and see if any of these birds want to come up as well. Okay, here comes Bullseye. So we're going to go ahead and pause this, and I will resume. It's currently 2:20 p.m. I ended up having to stop this recording so I could run out and hey buddy, how you doing? Yeah, I can tell you're getting hot. Oh, that's okay. That might have been Bluella. But anyways, yeah, I stopped the recording so I could go out to get a sky observation of a very low flyer, loud rumbler, and by the time I got out of here, yeah, it was nowhere to be seen, and there is virtually nothing in the sky other than this up here currently. So more than likely it won't be until later that I'll be doing any extracurricular sky observations of at this time. Yeah, I decided to, well, vacate the apartment for a little while, come out here, spend a little bit of quality time. That way, well, I could shut off my fan, shut off the idiot box. The AC is running, unfortunately, which, yeah, being a conservative or conservationist of many things, energy is one of them, pertaining to electricity. And yeah, my electric bill that I sent out in the mail today with the payment thereof, or therefore, whatever, yeah, a little bit higher than typical because of the heat that we've experienced, well, within the last 30 days, give or take. I don't really want to repeat, so, and it's comfortable out here. It's a little bit sticky, but it's comfortable enough to hang out with a few of the gang that wants to come up and actually visitate. But this is one of those days that I'm not going to play hide and seek with the aircrafts, and I think you know, I've been catching pretty decent stuff as it is. I got something else that is catching my attention right now, and I'm going to have to pause it. We'll continue once again, just momentarily. 2:30 p.m. Thank you for your patience, even though you didn't have to wait as long as me to come back. Yeah, we don't have a lot of action kicking off up here. It's already getting kind of just a yuck factor out here, okay? And yeah, aircraft still flying overhead. In fact, I'm hearing one as I'm speaking. You know, it just never stops here. And, well, I just would like to state that a couple of days ago I had a half-hour recording that I had done out here, and which for some odd reason, regardless of my attempts of getting it posted, it would not post. Okay, I'm not even going to read into it or speculate or anything. All right. But within that recording, I had shown that, and then, let's see, this would have been on the 19th, okay, in which our mulberries were still hanging from the trees out here. and our wild black raspberries was still thriving. They are no longer today, but at that point, on the 19th, my exclamation was, this is highly unusual, because typically here, our wild black raspberries are only here for a short duration of time. Same with the mulberries. Typically the mulberries are done and gone as the raspberries are starting to ripen, and then it's, that season, if you will, for the black raspberries. And typically that season is right around the 4th of July. These berries, both mulberry and wild black raspberries, far surpassed the growing seasons that is highly typical for this area. And it's just been within these last few days that they've actually finished their cycle and have died off. Okay? Now I could go ahead and end this recording. You might be able to hear the airplane flying overhead. Well, just non-stop air activity in this general location. Okay? And it's really no longer my cup of tea. And I don't know if you heard this on the news or not, but supposedly there's an asteroid in outer space that they're claiming, and NASA is saying that this is supposed to be a flyby asteroid. Now get this, it is approximately the size of an airplane. Now they did not specify, the style or type of airplane, but it's just kind of strange to me that with all these aircraft accidents, if you will, of recent days, months, weeks, months, whatever, that they would come out with a description like that this asteroid is the size of a plane. Think about planes and jets and helicopters and what's been being reported almost now on a daily basis. Yeah, I know this is more appropriate for a narrative during sky observations, but it is what it is, and I got to go with the flow of what flows through me. And we have company, don't we? Huh? Hi up there. Come on down, grab some. You're good. Well, it looks like my camera's lagging a little bit. I thought the secondary Blue Jay was going to come in, but it decided to give chase to the one that just grabbed and went. Man, I gotta start doing something different with these cakes because they're just not, well, either that or else sharpen these points that I'm applying them to. Is that Jayhawk up here? Is that my buddy Jay? Huh? Where are we at? Where are we at? Oh, there we are. Bing! I don't know if that was Jay or not, because once again, yeah, whammo, right? Trying to look up and do any kind of recording, yeah. Okay, I gotta reload the limb, I guess. I don't gotta, but I'm going to. How about that? We're getting us a nice sunbeam coming right down. Boom. Right to there. And I would love to be able to show you guys a couple of things, but yeah, no distraction from what we're currently showing. But oh yeah, we have us a crow out here. Something that's been in the cards. Oh yeah, I know. Okay, I'll still steer clear of tarot card rhetoric narrations thereof. Man, this batch of cakes just um, they're, basically they're just a lot of egg and cheese pancakes, and they are just falling apart. Um, I don't know what I might have done wrong. But here's another real quick observation that goes along with, this is a walnut. Man, it's been already, well, it was started to get eaten into, possibly by a squirrel. I was laying down here, but it's showing already how these are getting ripe. And which, again, not really the season yet. Okay? And there's our crow flying in the background there. Yeah, blurred out, of course, but anyways, yeah, there was my little attempt to prove what I was stating. Of course, we could hear them in the background anyways. Down here we have us robin. Oh, we got us another crow over there. Which, this is not Roby, but I just thought to show anyways. And, well, I guess we can possibly, maybe, remember, this is nature observations, okay? And there is a lot of activity kicking off overhead in regards to aircraft. Alright, current time is 2:45 p.m. I have some slight veterinarian duties to tend to. And I won't go any further into describing exactly what or upon what. But well, let's just say that I'll be introducing more wildlife. We'll keep our fingers crossed, but I'll be introducing more wildlife in the near future. I'm going to go ahead and end it here so I can go ahead and tend to this care. And we'll end it right there. Man, there's a big old yellow butterfly. Been flying around out here. I was really wanting to try to capture it, but yeah, there it is. Oh yeah, oh, there it is down here. It'd be nice if it would come up a little bit closer. But it is it's quite the beauty. I'm not well versed in types of butterflies and moths. You know, I do know a few different types, and I used to know much more. Oh, and hi there. You can come on down. There you go. Go ahead. You're good. You can jump on down there. Yeah, we're getting a lot of the glare now. And yeah, this is going to make for a long video because of possibly splicing videos together. Yeah, we got more jays that's coming in. I am, because I've put down quite a little bit of dry cat food. Once these cats decide to move on and get into cooler grasses and under shade, more likely these blue jays will come down and start pecking at the cat food. That's all good, all good. But we're going to go ahead and end it here. And yeah, we'll be bringing you more content. Very glad that you're watching. If you care to, and if you enjoy my content, please stay tuned.